Hi, this is Discount Diva. I'm going to do a review on an Influencer box. It's a Fox box. I finally got my first box. I don't know if all of you are familiar with it. It's a free app. You review products and you give your information, and they have like missions for you to do, and then eventually you're eligible. They'll send you a survey and mail a questionnaire to answer, and then if they decide to pick you on your right fit. Comes with a card called number 7. Match made custom blend foundation drops. You mix 1, 2, or 3 drops. You don't need a lot. I used it prior if you want to look at my skin. It's pretty natural. I'm 49 years old. I think it works pretty damn good for all ages. It's for all ages, but for older ladies, you're really going to like this. And this is how it comes in the box. Custom made to you. I picked, what's it? Cool Ivory. So, it doesn't come off easily either. I mean, you have to put like really soap and scrub. Okay, let's see if you can see it. Let me do this so you can see it. But I'm not doing it. I just want you to see it. See, it's close to my skin. If you can see it. Just put a little bit more. Probably putting too much. When you blend it, your skin's more moisturized than your hands. If you can get an idea. It blends really well. If you can see it. Good. Hey, it's not coming across. Okay. It's really good, high quality foundation. I highly would recommend it. And I think I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, there's even information in here. I guess it tells you about the product here. Yeah, gives you all the information, I guess, side effects or whatever. So, you have that information too for your fingertips. I highly recommend this product, and thank you, Influencer, for giving me a shot to review your products. Well, the products that you send out to us, if that's the right way to put it. So, thanks again. I would love to get new subscribers, and the ones that are subscribed, click on the bell to know my upcoming video. Thank you. Have a good day.